What's going on YouTube? On today's video I want to do a review of the Corsair K65 RGB Mini. I'll show you some footage of the keyboard, tell you why I chose this keyboard, what's a 60% pros, some cons, and who this keyboard is for. This is Jesse Sanchez with Ultra Tech. Let's get started. There is one annoying issue when gaming with a regular keyboard and mouse combination. That is keyboards being huge and taking tons of space, and when you're playing a game, this causes your mouse hand to be really far from the left hand and causes you not to aim as good, or you may miss punching in the right keys on the keyboard. That's when these compact keyboards come into play. You can either get a 10 keyless keyboard, which is missing only the number pad, or a 60% keyboard where it's even smaller, but it's missing the down arrows and the function row. The first thing I did with the keyboard is play some games. Because of the small size of the keyboard, your hands are naturally in a more comfortable position. I'm able to have the mouse closer to the keyboard, which gives me plenty of room to aim freely without feeling that I am extending my hands too much. This keyboard is extremely responsive and will guarantee your touches are registered when you are deep in your game. With my previous keyboard, I needed to push the buttons very hard, and it would sometimes miss when I would touch a key, which would cause me to die in the game during crucial battles. After testing it in a few games in Heroes of the Storm, I noticed my stats improved, which led to more team wins. I'm sure no one would believe me when I would say in game, I swore I pressed my ultimate key and my hero didn't do his ultimate power. This is also a mechanical keyboard, so it's definitely not quiet, so it's a good thing to keep that in mind. Pricing will range from $69 to $150 depending on where you buy it or if you find it on a special. Because of Black Friday special, I was able to buy it for $69 from Best Buy. If you're able to get it under $100, it should be worth it. This Corsair K65 has some very cool lighting. If you use the IQ app from Corsair, you are able to change colors, the speed of the light, and has plenty of cool features. The spacebar on the keyboard also has a very cool design with white tiny triangles which pop out with the lighting behind it. The biggest con, which is not even anything against the quality of the keyboard, is the missing arrows. This is more to be expected since you know before you purchase it that it will be missing keys. For me, it may be a deciding factor if I use it for long periods or not. When I was doing IT work with this keyboard, I started doing some spreadsheets, and when I was trying to expand my windows to the right of the screen, when you press a Windows button and then the right arrow, It moves that particular screen to half right of your screen. And when I was trying to rename my folder, I found myself surprised on how much I needed those arrow keys. This keyboard is perfect for hardcore gamers who do not need it for productivity at all. You will find yourself in the perfect position when you are gaming for long hours. If you do any type of productivity work, you'll sure miss the arrow keys. That's the case for me. Even though it has improved the gaming performance a bunch for me, I still really need those arrow keys. And if you do use them, I recommend going for a 10 keyless keyboard, which is still smaller than a full-size keyboard, but it will have the much needed arrows. Overall, this keyboard is amazing quality and highly recommended if you value gaming more than anything else. I hope you found this video useful, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more tech content. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year, so if you could share it with your friends and family, it would mean a lot to me. Thanks for watching, and until next time, Ultra Tech out.